In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Greenlight card on your PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to do this process through your PlayStation 4 console, but keep in mind that you also have other methods of adding a new payment method to your PlayStation account. If you are doing this through the console itself, what you have to do is go into the console settings, and in there you have to go to the account management page. So select the option that has your icon at the left, and within your account management page you can select account information. Inside of the account information category, scroll down until you reach the wallet option and select it. Finally, you will be able to choose payment methods is the first option at the top in order to add your Greenlight card to your PlayStation 4. As you can see, the two major payment methods that they offer is a PayPal account or a credit/debit card. Make sure you select credit or debit card and you will be able to input the credentials about your Greenlight debit card. Make sure that everything is valid and legitimate and matches the information on your card, and also be aware that you must have the funds ready inside of the card before you make the purchase. On the next step, you will be required to enter the billing address. This is very important. You need to make sure that this information matches the information on your PSN account completely. So double check the postal code and make sure that it matches the one on your PSN account. And as long as you include valid and legitimate information, the card will be attached to your PlayStation 4 and you will be able to use it to make purchases. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Greenlight card on a PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.